Hello and welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. In today's video, I want to give you a quick update on the crypto market, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. We also want to talk about what the whales may be preparing in the next days. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the chart. We start on the 4-hourly chart. You can see that we formed this rising wedge, broke out of it, and now we have this wide resistance line. If you look on the hourly chart, then you can see that yesterday I told you that we had this double bottom, or it looks like this double bottom, but we didn't. So we broke out of the resistance, the neckline here, but failed to retest it. Came slightly lower. After all, we had higher highs, but we couldn't get over this resistance, this wide resistance line. So actually, yeah, we failed. Now we are struggling with it and tested 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5, 6 times. If we pull out our Fibonacci retracement, from this top to this low, then you can see that we are now broke out of the golden pocket. This is this area here, the 0.61865, but we couldn't hold it because of this resistance. Broke again down, and now we are testing it. And yeah, if we can retest it, so we can go to this area here, around 38.2k. But remember, we have this big resistance line above us. So this red one is actually just from wick to wick. If we draw it a little bit different, then it's actually around this 38k area here. So massive resistance is directly above us. I want to show you just one thing. If we look on the weekly chart and change the candles to Heiken Ashi, then you can see the clear trend. So this is a clear uptrend, clear downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. And now you see every time we have no wick to the upside, just the shadow to the downside. That means that we are actually, there's no fighting between bulls and bears on the weekly chart. If we have a wick to the upside, like here and here, there's some kind of fight between bulls and bears. So if we will see next weekly candle with a wick to the upside, this could potentially mean a change in direction. Let me show you one thing. Where is it here? If we look at the whale activities, every time you saw a peak like this, then we saw a dump like this one here. Actually, here, a dump. here a dump, here dump. So this could mean that actually here was also a dump. If you see another pick here, potentially another dump could be imminent. All in all, some big players still buying a lot of Bitcoin and accumulating, but they're sending it to the exchanges. So this might be another indicator for another potential dump. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Let's go short into Ethereum. Switch back to normal candles and look on the for. So here we are still trading in this yellow box area. We are now testing it here, at the top of the box. If it's failed, or if this will fail, we can potentially see another dump to the downside to this green line at around 2350. So this might be a potential short from this point. Okay, let's do it again. Around 7%. So right now, Ethereum is definitely not as strong as Bitcoin is. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, so we hit 43%. Now we had a little break to the downside, but this is a kind of support here. So maybe we can see much higher percentage for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's it for today. We are at again at the weekend, so this might be much more or less volatility because there's not so much money in the market. So maybe the market can be much more or easier manipulated than in the week. So take care, and with your trades, be careful. If you want to trade, you can of course do this. Where is it? Here. Here is it. So this might be a chance for you. Check out my links in the description. Go to Phoenix or Bybit. You can of course use my affiliate links. This is of course no financial advice. Always do your own research, your own due diligence, because trading with leverage is very risky. So this is actually just for experienced traders. Okay, next time, as you saw here, I show you this Wyckoff pattern. So we talk maybe a little bit about this. Okay, and if you haven't do it, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my new videos, and of course check out my social media accounts on TikTok, on Twitter, where I post daily new content. And of course you can follow here to see my new videos on YouTube or on TikTok. Okay, so now let's wrap this up again with my little nice outro. But first, no financial advice, always do your own research, your own due diligence, and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's, well, you know it, it's your money. So, peace out.
tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have me doubts, not what I'm about.